Is your smart TV screen stretched or cut off? Don't worry, we will fix it. Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am your technician guy for today. Aspect ratio problems happen when your TV displays content in the wrong shape. You might see images stretched sideways or cut at the edges. The most common cause is incorrect display settings. First, check your TV remote. Press the Home or Menu button. Navigate to Settings, then select Picture or Display. Look for aspect ratio, screen format, or picture size. Common options include Auto, 16 by 9, 4 by 3, Zoom, or Wide. Always start with Auto. This lets your TV adjust the image automatically. If Auto does not work, manually select 16 by 9 for modern widescreen content. For older shows or channels, try 4 by 3. Avoid using Zoom or Wide unless necessary, as these stretch the picture. Next, check your external devices. If you use a set-top box, HDMI device, or gaming console, go to their settings. Set their resolution to match your TV. For full HD screens, use 1920 by 1080 pixels. For 4K TVs, use 3840 by 2160 pixels. Incorrect resolutions often cause image stretching or cropping. Also, check your video source. Streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon Prime Video have their own aspect ratio options. Always play content in original or auto mode for best results. If you are using HDMI or AV cables, ensure they are properly connected and not loose. A loose cable can send a distorted signal and affect the screen shape. Finally, if your TV has a picture reset option, use it. This will restore factory picture settings and often fixes stubborn aspect ratio issues. Remember, changing these settings does not harm your TV. It just aligns the image properly. Follow these steps, and your smart TV will display the picture perfectly. If this guide helped, subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical TV fixes.